welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Brigade Insignia, an ultra-luxurious residential project which is located in the neighborhood of Yelahanka, Bangalore. This landmark project is crafted for those who believe their address should reflect their lifestyle, premium, elegant and exclusive. In this project, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. And now let me show you the scale model of this project. So this is a stunning scale model of Brigade Insignia. This beautiful residential community is spread across 5.88 acres of land parcel and it comes with a 344 luxurious apartments. Also this project comes with 6 elegantly designed towers with an elevation of basement plus tilt plus 15 stories and also offers you 3.5, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. The development is designed for people who enjoy comfort, exclusivity and excellent design. Brigade Insignia truly reflects an elegant and elevated way of life. And if we talk about the location advantages, so this project strategically located in Yelahanka, Bangalore, which is one of the city's most well-connected and well-established location. And also one more thing that this project is very close to one of the Asia's largest mall. Yelahanka Junction is just 10 minutes away. The Galleria Mall is just 10 minutes away. Navya Multi-Speciality Hospital is just 8 minutes away. A perfect location for families and working professionals seeking upscale living. And if we talk about the amenities, Brigade Insignia offers you well-curated set of luxury lifestyle amenities like indoor sports zone, premium clubhouse with fitness and leisure spaces, outdoor courts and activity areas, lush themed gardens and green pockets, kids play zones, all designed to deliver a holistic, peaceful and premium urban living experience. And talking about the pricing and configuration, 3 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2145 square feet, price starting from 3.49 crore onwards. 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2481 square feet, price starting from 4.29 crore onwards. 4 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 3066 square feet, price starting from 5.09 crore onwards, and the 5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 4137 square feet, price starting from 6.99 crore onwards. And now let's go to the sample flat. So guys, now I'll show you this super spacious and comfortable luxury 4 BHK apartment. But first let me tell you that there is a separate entry for the servant room and for the main home. Now let's start with the entrance. So this is your foyer area which is nice, wide and it gives proper entry feel. And from this foyer area, let's move straight to the living room. So this is your living room which looks very airy, open and well planned. And also it comes with the attached balcony, which is perfect for your morning tea or for the evening sit-outs. You get this big attached balcony, perfect for your morning chai or just relaxing in the evening. And right next to this living space, this is the dining area, which is well connected to the kitchen, and this is your open kitchen, which is very clean, neat and very functional. The placement of this dining area is perfect. It connects smoothly with both the living room and the kitchen. This open kitchen feels spacious and well planned with plenty of storage cabinets, and attached to this kitchen there is also a dry balcony which is perfect for your utility and washing needs. And in this dry balcony you get your extra sink and this wide open window which gives natural light and proper ventilation. And here is the entry for your servant room. So this room also comes with the attached washroom. And just look at how spacious it looks, and this is the outer entry. And now let me show you the common washroom. So this is your common washroom, good space and placed right in the center so it's easily accessible for your guests. Premium fittings, a clean layout and enough room to move comfortably, making it practical for everyday use. And from here now let's move towards the bedroom. So this is your bedroom 1 which is perfect for your kids or for the guests, which comes with a large window which gives you natural light and proper ventilation. And also this bedroom comes with the attached washroom as well. So this is the perfect place for your kids' study table, and look at this wardrobe area. Overall this room looks very premium and spacious. Now let's go towards the next bedroom. So this is your bedroom 2 which comes with an attached washroom. This bathroom literally gives you that 5-star hotel vibe. Clean, elegant and very premium. The fittings, the lighting and the color palette, everything feels luxurious. So this is your bedroom too, and it has its own attached balcony as well, which gives you natural light, proper ventilation, and also you have here the wardrobe section. This bedroom is really well designed. Now let me show you the bedroom 3. So this is your bedroom 3, which comes with an attached washroom. You get spacious counterpart, high quality fixtures, and very sleek shower area. Even the storage and the layout are thoughtfully designed, so it looks classy but it's also practical. And look at the space, how spacious it looks, and it's perfect for your kids. Also, it has built-in wardrobe area, and this bedroom also comes with an attached balcony. Also the perfect place for your kids' study table, and you also get here the perfect window. Overall, the 3 bedrooms we just saw are very spacious, comfortable, and comes with a large layout. Now it's time for the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, beautifully spacious, and it comes with a large wardrobe section. Is the perfect spot for your dressing table, and also this bedroom also comes with a hotel style bathroom. This master bathroom feels truly luxurious, like a 5-star hotel. You get high-end fittings, a sleek vanity, elegant lighting, and a spacious shower area. The overall finish is refined, modern, and designed to give you that premium spa-like experience every single day. So this is the main area, which comes with a beautiful private balcony. And also you get here fresh air and natural light. Even with a king-size bed, the room still feels open and spacious. The layout is designed in a way that keeps the bed area cozy while still giving you plenty of walking space around. And also you get here plenty of walking space around. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below, so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.